Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Meta glasses to Instagram. First, open the Meta AI app on your phone and make sure your Meta glasses are already paired and connected. Now tap on glasses from the top right corner of the screen. If you have multiple Meta devices connected, swipe left or right and select the glasses you want to use. Next, tap device settings. Here, tap on communication. Now tap connect next to Instagram. Follow the on-screen instructions and sign in to your Instagram account if prompted. Once the connection is complete, your Instagram profile will be linked to the Meta AI app. Keep in mind that the connected Instagram account must be the profile currently active in the Instagram app on your phone. If you switch to another Instagram profile later, you may need to reconnect the account. After connecting Instagram, you can start sharing photos directly from your Meta glasses to Instagram stories. For example, you can say, "Hey Meta, post a photo to Instagram," to take a new photo and share it to your story. You can also say, "Hey Meta, share my last photo to Instagram," to upload the most recent photo captured with your glasses. The photo will be shared directly to your Instagram story without requiring you to pick up your phone. Keep in mind that you won't be able to preview or edit the photo before it is posted. However, the shared media can still be viewed later in the Meta AI app. The audience for your story will depend on your Instagram privacy settings. If your account is private, only approved followers will be able to see it. If your account is public, anyone who can view your profile may be able to see the story. If needed, you can delete the story later directly from the Instagram app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.